Hey guys, I have a solution for the headphone jack for the iPhone users. You know what I mean, you know, the missing headphone jack right there, you know, 3.5mm, but now it's gone because apparently we're gonna go wireless, but I don't think so. But yeah, I went out today and was looking for an audio adapter for 3.5mm, Bluetooth audio adapter for 3.5mm jack, headphone jack. But yeah, I found one. It's called Griffin, and it cost about $35, and it looks pretty good. See, it says makes any headphones wireless. There's options. Yeah, Griffin. And yeah, we'll try it out. Alright, I got my headphones here, my diesel, you know, diesel. It's alright. It's like Beats is alright, but I mean, if you have any headphones or earphones that has this, or anything like that has that end right there, that even focuses, that end right there, it's gonna be pretty good. Plug it in, you know, and get this out of the packaging first off. Yeah, and in the packaging it comes with the charger. Of course, this is rechargeable. This small warning booklet, these big instructions. Yeah, right there. How do you power this thing on? Hold 7 seconds. Okay, plug it in here, right there. As you can see, 3.5 fits great. Yeah, okay, hold 7 seconds to pair. I kind of did that already. I opened it before making this video, so I just turned it on and connect it to my phone. I can't even find my phone. So yeah. Connected. Whoa, it's not even playing on my earphones yet. Okay, now it is. Let's see how it sounds. Oh, well, that song was just there, so yeah. Haters, I don't really care what you say, but yeah, I was listening to The Middle by Zed. So yeah, hope this helps you out solving your headphone jack problems. And if you're on a budget, get this, $35. Instead of buying AirPods or another Bluetooth earphones, just get this and you'll be sweet. So yeah, peace.